I tested Bambu Studio's new color mixing feature on my single Nozzle P1S so you don't have to. And it did not go well, the first time at least. For some context, the latest Bambu Studio update lets you blend 2 to 3 filaments from your AMS, producing entirely new colors. And there's even a gradient mode, where your print transitions smoothly from one color to the next. Now Bambu is upfront that this feature is really designed for their multi-nozzle machines. In fact, they explicitly say in the release notes, single nozzle printers are not recommended for this feature due to frequent color changes and increased filament consumption. So naturally, I had to try it on my P1S anyway. So here's my first attempt. I set up a print of this calibration cube by pixel printing. To use color mixing, you first need to set 2 colors from your AMS. Then a button will appear showing Add Mixed Filament. Here you have the option to set the specific color ratio or choose a gradient, which is what I went for. Then you need to go into your object settings and set your filament color to the new gradient. But the initial print time was going to be over 9 hours. So then I went to adjust my purging volumes and I set my purging multiplier to 0.5. Check out my other video on how to minimize purge waste up here. And this brought my print time down to 7.5 hours, but that was still too long. Then I went and scaled my model down to 75%. And these 2 changes brought my print time down to 5.5 hours, so I sent it. And as you can see, it's looking pretty promising early on. The color transition is actually starting to come through, but watch what happens here. I received a notification on my phone that the toolhead cover had fallen off, and I knew this was not good. When I got back to my print, the cover was off and the fan was actually in contact with something, causing a grinding noise. What happened was that the sheer volume of poop from all those filament changes caused my poop chute to clog, and the waste just kept piling up. And eventually I had a solid clump of filament that my nozzle ran into, causing a layer shift and ruining my print. But I didn't want to give up, so I cleared the poop chute and decided to give it one more try. Same model, same settings. This time I stayed nearby and manually cleared the poop chute multiple times throughout the print, and it worked. The gradient is perfect, and you can't even see the magic of how the printer actually made this. I want to explain what's actually happening here, because when I first heard about this feature, I assumed the printer was somehow physically blending filaments together in the hot end, but it's not doing that at all. What's actually happening is a clever optical illusion. Your eyes are doing the mixing, not the printer. With color mixing enabled, the printer actually alternates between your filaments within each individual layer by creating sublayers with different thicknesses for each color based on the target color ratio. Your eye then blends those stacked sublayers into a single perceived blended color. So now that we know how it works, you can quickly see why this isn't recommended on a single nozzle printer. Multiple filament changes within every single layer means the printer spends an enormous amount of time pooping instead of printing. So on a multi-nozzle machine, this feature is probably fantastic, fast swaps and low waste. But you actually can use color mixing with a single nozzle printer, although you probably shouldn't unless you have a specific need for it and you're willing to deal with the downsides. Just remember, it's always a good idea to clear out your poop.